Hello everyone, welcome back once again, and now we are going to learn about the link in CSS. So actually for linking we are not going to learn about the how you will link a website with your text, because this is the part of HTML. We're going to learn how you will change the design or outlook for your linking text, and that's we are going to learn. Okay, so I want to create a linking text in our details.html file. So let me type a href, then I have to type the URL www dot I have to type https //canansteve.xyz. so this is my URL, and now I have to use my greater than sign for closing these things, and now I have to type click here. So this is my text. So when someone will click in this text, then the person will be redirecting this website. But one more thing I need to do, that is I want to open this URL in a new tab. That's why I have to set the target, and you know how to set the target because we learned in our HTML lesson. Let me type target, and then I'm going to select this a blank, because if you use the blank then your site will be opened in a new tab. So let me save it, and let's take a look in our output file. So you can take a look over here that we have the blue color for our text, and we got the underline. So this is what we are looking for. We want to change the color, we want to make it more strong, and we want to change the color for this text instead of using the blue color, and that's why you have to set a style for a tag. So this is, we do have the a tag, and we are going to declare in our style.css file. I'm going to declare a, then I am using my curly bracket, and inside in here let me type color. I'm going to use pink. Okay, and now let me save it, and now we can take a look in our browser. You can take a look. We have the pink color for our text. So you can ask me the question, I didn't applied anything in here, so why my color of the text is changed in our browser? The thing is, we directly set a style for this a tag. So if you take a look in our style.css file, then you can take a look. We directly set the color for our a tag. That's why we don't have to apply anything more, or as like the IDs or as like the classes, because we directly use this one. So what we did h1 tag earlier, and with the h1 we declared the red color for the text and aqua color for the background. But we did the same thing. So you just need to know the attributes, elements, and the name of the tag for applying the proper things in the HTML and CSS. Okay, one more thing you need to know. Suppose someone already clicked in this web URL. So let me click these things, and the website is opening in here, and we still have the same color for this link. But if you want to change the color when someone will click in this link, then this link color will be changed. You can do that very easily. So how you will do that? You can do that by using, let me get back to our style.css code, and in here you have to type a colon visited, and then you have to put the curly bracket, and then you have to put the color in here. Then you can type green. Okay, so when someone will click on the link, then the color of the text will be turned into green, and I just saved, and let's take a look in our output. Okay, so you can take a look over here. The color of our text is changed because I just clicked in here, and here is the URL is just opened. So this is how you will change the visited color for your link. Okay, now we're going to learn about the hovers. So what is hover? When you will place your mouse cursor to the text, then the color of the text will be changed. This is called the hover, and we can do that very easily, and therefore we have to apply the same process as this one. Actually, this is called the pseudo class. Okay, so let me create another pseudo class. So I have to type a, then I have to type the colon, and now I have to type hover, and then you have to type the curly bracket, and inside the curly bracket you have to declare the color. So as in color, let me set yellow. Okay, so you need to know what is the use of a pseudo class. Actually, pseudo class is used to define a special state of an element. So this is the use of pseudo class, and we applied the pseudo class in here, we applied the pseudo class in here. So do you really think we need to change anything else in here? Answer is no, because we already applied the a tag in here, and we applied the classes or pseudo classes for our a tag. Okay, so let me save it, and let's take a look in our browser. So let me place my mouse cursor in here, and you can take a look. The color of the text are changed. Okay, so this is how you will apply the hover using the pseudo class in link in HTML and CSS.